Kung unsa ray gihatag ni Santa, mao ra akong gi-shopping. Pero maikog sa ta mo palit og shopping para niya, no? Unya sir say naghatag. Anyways, kamo ray nakasabot ana, ha? Hey. Oops, there you go. That's better. Huh? Ouch! Hi guys, Mommy and on the go. Welcome to our Vlogmas 8. If you like shopping like me, stay put. Cause, of course, Christmas is the busiest shopping season of the year, you know? So, here in America, we have our Black Friday. In celebration of Thanksgiving Day, mag-Thanksgiving na mi og Thursday, and then mag-Black Friday dayon og Friday. Cyber Monday the next Monday. However, since it has become a very business type of celebration, you know, other companies would start having their sales on the weekends or even Thursday. So, ang mga tao, even after Thanksgiving, moadto na dayon og mall. So, however, there are stuff that I got. I only got 2 things online even before Thanksgiving Black Friday. I also have, the best place to shop also is the outlets. And since we went to Virginia, we went to Williamsburg as well as to Norfolk Outlet. I did not shop a lot. Kaya wala ko'y kwarta. Kung unsa ray gihatag ni Santa, mao ra akong gi-shopping. Pero maikog sa ta mo palit og shopping para niya, no? Unya sir say naghatag. Anyways, kamo ray nakasabot ana. Anyway, so I have the stuff for myself and the stuff for the house actually. And kasagaran sa akong gi-shopping para sa mga bata, dili pa kita kay ngano. Tan-aw niya sila ani nga video, masakpan nga si Santa diin gikan. Anyways, magkuha sa taog. Magkuha sa tagunting. Okay? In a little bit. I found some scissors now. Anyways, we are gonna start opening the stuff that I got online. I don't wanna open this because I feel like if I open this, I'll be using it because I'm planning to bring this to the Philippines. Hopefully, next summer, nig June o July, makauli taon me. So, Bath and Body Works always have good sales during I don't know, twice a year. Most likely kanang after Christmas because they have a lot of scents that they only release during Christmas or during winter. And of course on summer they don't wanna, well, I guess every season they will have to have a sale. But this one, this is before Thanksgiving. I did not get a chance to go to the store. So, all I did was to shop online, and I think I just need to pay shipping fee or no shipping fee. I forgot. But, take a look, guys. Unboxing! Thumbnail! Thumbnail. Ana ba? Ana. Right, so I think I have, oh my gosh, look at this. Malipay na kay taga Pilipinas, tagaan anyo, and it is all the way sealed. I don't have to worry, but it is very heavy. So I'm planning to send a couple of boxes before we go home. Dito na siya ipangbutang. Ang problema lang if hopefully custom will not open it up, but it's just like a couple of these. I think I have like, I think there was naabot nag 40 ang akong, kung ano mahal naman kay ni tanan. 20% offline. So, there was a limit of 20. So, I got 20 of these. It's on different scent. Right there. Pink chiffon. Sun ripened. This one, I like this. Twilight woods. And daghan pa ay gingerbread latte. Oh, so those are like Christmas scents actually. So, that's the first one. Another one, Amazon also has codes, a lot of codes. And let me shout out to Gia. Gia C. Lord. I know you'll be watching this. Gia C. Lord has an Amazon code I could not remember the name in Facebook, but if you make friends with Gia C. Lord is, of course, a Filipina. And then she's already living in Florida right now. But she is also a vlogger. But she has this codes in Facebook that if you use that code at a certain time, you'll get discounted stuff. So this is one of the stuff that I think it was very cheap, like more than half of the price. So we always want to change beddings. So this was actually perfect. See? Look at that. Honeymoon home fashion lasting comfort set. So 3-piece comfort set. My pillow shams na siya and a comforter. Wala din siya ano. This doesn't come with the fitted sheets. But it's okay. It's all good. The comforter itself is really good. And I think this is just like less than $20. All good. Alright, that's for that. Then we went to, this one is from Williamsburg Outlet. So when we went to Busch Gardens, if you have seen our Vlogmas number 5, that when we saw, and even Vlogmas number 1 when we saw Christmas Santa, and that is in Williamsburg. So we went there. I got a couple of these, but I'm only gonna show you one. In the next couple of videos that we will have, you might see why I got a couple of these. But this is for myself, so I can show it to you. Ta-da! Isn't this cute? And I'm sure kung dadon ko ni sa Pilipinas, akong manghod pangayoon na sad ni. So I will use it for a couple of times if I like it. If not, because if you remember my I don't know if I put it in there. Hopefully I will become an instructor for bang. I am a certified instructor for bang, and we only use like white and black, mostly black. It has a speck of red to it, but it's so cute. And mas cute siya if you know the price. It is only $49.99, so $50 half off. 25 rani sa Pilipinas, 1,000 rani din sa Pilipinas. Asa ka kapalit og 1,000 ani? Imit na ng 1,000, di ba? But this one is worth it. $25. Bilang na $25. 1,000 pesos, but you cannot buy. I have a couple of this one. Yep, that's for that. And for some reason, himo naman ming Adidas family. Uy, delay ni si Alex, si ako, og si one time, amo ang daddy ni ingon na taon, ano kamura may nag-Adidas? Ako wala man ko. And he said he used to wear these suits when he was younger because he used to dance. He used to dance like competition dance, like hip-hop dancing. So, I got him these. Of course. No? Paris na siya. Paris. Oh, remind me not to forward this video to him because he usually watch our video. Anyways, this would be part of the gift for Christmas. But I would want to show it to you. That's why. Oh my gosh, daghan kay sale ang outlet. There are a lot of outlet sales. However, walay kwarta si Ox. Dili priority ang shopping at that time. Anyways, that's for him. And again, dili na ko pwede ipakita ang para sa mga bata. But again, guys, I am more excited. There are only very few outlets that would have Tory Burch. But this one, I'm gonna show you a couple of what I have. That's one. And this is two. This is one of my durable brands that I know would last long. Anyways, I was so excited. I think I'm gonna, I already used the other one. This one, with this outfit. Look at this outfit. And then I put in the boots. Muna akong outfit today. So I am gonna put that somewhere here. Sa akong outfit today. Today I'm so happy na humanay gid akong observation. So I wore this with a jacket. Blazer, something. With this. Okay, anak na sad. Unsay may tawag ani niya? Thumbnail na sad. Anyways, yep, I already used it once pero tan-awa na good. kung mo use it once nakadinhi sa America, I walk this to school. No, ay gilakaw ra na ako sa akong driveway. Sakyanan dayon. Abot sa parking lot sa eskwelahan, iditso na dayon sud sa classroom. Tanawa, naabag ko kay makita. Nahugaw. Mo nang magdugay sa gyud dinhiyang sapatos kung di gyud nimo igawas-gawas ug maayo, diba? So this is my Tory Burch bootsies or booties. Bootsies. Sydney 85mm booty calf leather. So this is so nice, guys. I use it almost the whole entire time. You know, I have slippers inside my classroom, but most of the time I use this. And it still looks so good. Look. Namoy nakitang hugaw? Wala. Wala din. Anyways, mataas na maayo ang atong kay daghan na kay tagi-edit, no? Anyways, that's the first and the last one, and I'm planning to use this quite more often now. This is way too comfortable. Nagduha-duha pa kong palit kay kato, na ato'y funding ni Santa, kani ako ang kwarta. Tanawa, guys. Di ka malain, ana? Di ka malain? Very cute. Try on. Huma naman ta din mag-try on. Oh, good na. Super cute and comfy. Asa ka, ana? Super cute and comfy. So, I already have gifts for myself. Mani, oy, daghang kay Glenn, oh. Dili siya bagay ani nga outfit, but then, look at that. Fancy. Right? Very nice. So, that's it, guys. These are actually my gifts for myself. A lot of stuff, and I should be done buying stuff. Remember, guys, when you go shopping, do not get broke just to show off. Christmas is about giving. There's a lot of stuff. Honestly, yeah. Amazon shopping has begun and orders are starting to come on. Watch that. Yes. Those are some of the stuff that already arrive. So, dili na lang ta magdaghan og istorya kay makita na sa ni sa atong mga anak. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. And wait for our next Vlogmas. And remember, choose happy. Bye!